Hello guys,
Hi guys,
I'm Mr. D.
I am Zoe.
Today we unboxing two hand warmers from Lidl,
Yeah,
from the company Crivit.
yeah. Let's go to the unboxing. So we have our hand warmer.
Looks like it warms up on both sides.
Yes, it does.
We did some hard work for you guys before the video. We charged both devices because we wanted to establish a successful video straight away. This is the cable, and it has a small secret. You can use these hand warmers as a power bank. You see, it's charging the phone. Beautiful.
Oh wow, that's actually great. I didn't know.
So you plug this
You plug this in.
in,
Wrong way. No. There it is.
and you have a USB so you can charge your phone. So not only you have a hand warmer, but you can
Have a power bank.
keep your batteries charged. So on these warmers we have three settings. I want Zoe to have the first impression. We didn't power them on, so Zoe is gonna do the big thing. So if you press once, you press once, it goes to setting 1.
I can actually feel the bottom side warming up already. The bottom one.
And the top it should warm.
Yeah, but yeah, but this side is more warmer.
Yeah, because you have your hand. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. It's fast.
So if you press another time, press.
Oh, not press.
You shut it down.
I just shut it down, did I?
So if you press another time, it goes to level 2. And if you press a third time, it goes to level 3. On the settings, it says that it goes up to 47 degrees. So it's quite a warm thing.
I'll leave that down. I know you can't feel what I'm feeling now, but it's already warmed up. It's nice. Like if you go outside for a walk or something, I'm wearing the perfect hoodie for it. You just put it in your pocket and just warm up your hand.
So let me explain how they operate, because Zoe tried it, and of course you guys, you're gonna try it and you're gonna say, is it broken? No, guys. Let me explain very fast. To power it on, you hold the button until you see the light. To power it off, you hold the button until the light goes off. To change the setting, you just press and it goes to the next setting. I hope that was quite clear what I meant. So
you
just
press and hold the power on and off, and you just click it to change the temperature setting.
Yes. So basically it says that it can output 2 amps, and it can you can charge it with 2 amps. So 2 amps are enough to obviously charge your phone. It says that it has a 5200 battery inside. So most likely you might be able to charge your iPhone once or warm up your hands.
Yeah, you can't have both.
Yeah. So we're gonna do a crash test. We're gonna go outside, and I'm gonna give both warmers. The second one is still in the packets.
Yes, I. Oh, that's easy. I just.
And for the people that they have conditions that they getting frustrated with things, the reason we bought two colors is to separate which one is charged and which one is not, because we hate writing things on stuff. So it's simple, the gray and the orange. Of course you can buy either two grays or two oranges, but we bought them like this so we know which one is charged, which one is not. So let's go to the test straight away. So guys, you see you see this? It's not smoke, it's beautiful UK weather. All right?
It's actually 1 degree out here at the moment.
So that means the temperature is low. But we are not here for this. We are here for this.
Yes. My hands are nice and warm. I will admit it.
So how do you feel the heat on your hands?
Nice.
Yeah, more explainful. Are they warming up evenly?
Yes, they are warming up evenly.
Both
Nice.
sides?
No, actually, one of the sides is still a bit warmer than the other side, but I think that's because I didn't give them time to warm up properly.
So the reason I ask you this question is because I'm going to tell you how these devices warm up. These devices,
The ones Steve wants to take out of my pocket.
these devices are warming in heat cycles. What I mean is when the device is reaching the temperature you set, it's cooling down and then it warms up again and cooling down and warms up again, and that gives efficiency and it doesn't overheat the device, because obviously inside here there is a battery. You don't want this battery to get overheated. You know what happens with if you leave your phone in the sun in the summer. So this device is cycling to the temperature you set. As you see,
It's cold.
yeah, but I can feel this in my hands. Very warm. And it's on
I've only got it on low.
low. Let's put it on high, and we're gonna be back in a few seconds.
It's nice. They've warmed up. We set them on high, and literally seconds after we actually pressed to put them on high, I can feel that nice, lovely warmth, and my hands are not freezing anymore. So I like these. Put my hands back in my pockets.
This is the hand warmers from Crivit. You can get them from Lidl.
Yes, you can.
They look very nice, modern. They do the job. The battery we haven't tested because obviously we just opened them.
Opened them.
But if you want to know more, we can reply on your comments and say to you if they work really. But they look like they're working. So, I don't know if there's anything else on this.
There's only the instructions in the box, so...
Yeah. So you have a power bank hand warmer with 5,200 milliamp batteries that you can use to warm up your hands in the cold days in UK and enjoy our videos.
Yes.
Feel free to share your ideas and tell us what would you like to open.
I'll take my hoodie off now.
I'm Mr. D.
I am Zoe.
Thank you very much for watching and have a lovely day.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget, like and subscribe.